Hello, good morning. Who is this? Oh, my little puppy. How are you? Today we plan go to Junlebo Kento Range, and today is very chill. We are here now. It's not crowded today. Look at these cows. They are resting. Every weekend, I want to take my kid out to play, but it's actually quite tiring. I want him take more fresh air and see more beautiful views because I always think he is very tired in the school. But he's a headache. Every time I take him out, he always wants to buy stuff. Now we're in a store and which mainly sell the milk, kinds of milk. I'm not sure if it's good or bad that I often take him out to experience good things, new things, because I found that he always says he is worried at home. Does it affect his ability to perceive ordinary things? Let's see what he has discovered again. He really doesn't miss any toy car. In fact, there are many toy cars at home. It's like a small mountain. But why he's still interested in the toy cars whenever and whatever he sees outside? The sight of teens everywhere, with children laughing and dogs running, fills me with happiness. Nature is a gift from heaven, and we should cherish it dearly. When we immerse ourselves in green mountains and clear waters, we can forget all our troubles.
不能摸。人家禁止触摸。为什么呀？这是人家让看的艺术品。不，就普通拿铁。哎呀，生椰吧，生椰不加糖。
Now we come to shopping mall for our lunch. Oh, finally, I agreed his request to buy a toy car for him again. Okay, the end of today, and we plan go home. My puppy Haha is waiting for us in the car. Look at him. He's very happy. I also bought a snack for him.
给我吧。
妈，帮我打开吧。然后我说推堵。
He's really tired. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.